Ritik, there's one question for you. There were a lot of rumors that you are especially, going for the edits of the film, and you're actually sitting with Sid for the edits of the film. So how much is how far it is correct or how far it is true?
You have a problem?
No, I don't have a problem, but yeah.
Problem है क्या in the edit?
This side, I'm
कुछ
straight,
खराब लगा
right,
क्या?
right, straight, like hi.
Okay. Answering your question, I actually want to say one thing, which I truly believe. This is the first film in my life where I have actually experienced something that I have never experienced ever before in my life. This is the first film that surprised me. The reason it surprised me is because of all that I was going through in the past 1.5 years. I could not give myself as much as I do in all my other films to Bang Bang. So my contribution to this film has actually solely been as an actor, and that actually scared the hell out of me, because normally, there is a lot of other aspects that I look into and I want to know, and it's always been a very fun ride for me, but this time I just didn't have the time. So what it comes down to the fact is that when you see the film, we all have worked very, very hard on this film, but this film truly belongs to only one man, and that is this man here. He has single-handedly made this film. Every single thing that I was made to do on set was a surprise to me, because I had no idea how the hell do you imagine a flyboarding action and incorporate that, and I can't even reveal the other things that you have. I don't know from where. Okay, fine. But this is I am so delighted, which is why I keep saying that if not my best, this is definitely one of my best films. And I can say that with confidence because I myself have been surprised when I saw the final rush of the film. And for that, I actually want to stand up and give this man the biggest hug that ever is possible. My friend, you did it! So, does that answer your question?
Too many kind words today.
Hi Ritik and hi. I just want to say कि ज़िंदगी ना मिले के दोबारा में आप दोनों बहुत ही प्यारे दिखे एक दूसरे के साथ और आप दोनों की केमिस्ट्री सबको बहुत पसंद आई. उसके बाद बैंग बैंग में आने के बाद कितनी कंफर्टेबल थे आप दोनों एक दूसरे के साथ काम करते समय कि
More comfortable, no? You spend little time, you spend more time, you get more comfortable. Simple है.
नहीं तो पर
शक है आपको?
नहीं हमें कोई शक नहीं है because you guys are looking fabulous in this movie.
That is why we are looking fabulous.
तो I'm asking कि ज़िंदगी ना मिले के दोबारा के टाइम से अब तक मतलब जितना टाइम you guys are best friends now, like very good friends to each other. तो अभी कितना ज़्यादा
ये दोस्ती हम नहीं तोड़ेंगे.
Katrina,
and
actually
also,
he sings that
Krish,
song a lot on the set to me, just so you know. He does. This is the song he sings for me. I'm not sure why.
क्रिश 3 में आपने बहुत बहुत अच्छे एक्शन सीन्स हो चुके थे. इवन डांसिंग में आप यू आर सुपर्ब. तो बैंग बैंग में क्या डिफरेंट और क्या नया नजर आने वाला है?
क्या इसी क्रिश 3 में I was the assistant, I was the errand boy, I was the spot boy, my father's film. तो मतलब मेरी कोई मतलब वो जो एक स्टांस होता है ना, अहमियत, तो मैं खड़ा होता था कि एक्टर स्टार and fart करके something used to happen. ये काम नहीं हुआ, वो काम नहीं हुआ. I have to do this, I have to do that. तो उस tension में all my work that I did in Krish 3 was out of sheer fright. Okay, I have to get it right. But in this film, because of the wonderful team that has been by my side, I mean, what I went through, and because of the delay, it's but obvious that the morale of the film comes down. But I mean, first of all, Sid here, who just kept going, kept empowering. We kept empowering each other every day. SMS पे, पता नहीं क्या होगा, but जब होगा ना, यार फाड़ देंगे हम लोग. I promise you, Sid, I will come back. I'll be stronger. We'll do it. You don't
can
worry,
show
Sid.
that. I
You
can
don't
show that.
worry. Like, yeah, even you don't worry. I'm with you. I'm with you, Ritik. I'm with you.
Although I'm
the अंदर फटी हुई है कि क्या होगा. But we stood by each other, and then of course all of us stood by each other, and the kind of support structure that I got emotionally at that point of time really empowered me. And what happened after that was a revelation, because as I said, this became the easiest film I've ever done. So, I think that is what shows on screen as Rajveer. I don't think you've ever seen me like this ever in my life. It's something that I actually was afraid of doing until this man here pushed me into it. It's like, no. Just calm down. Just don't be that. Just calm down. I can't explain to you exactly what that means, but that's what went on the set. And in doing that, I discovered a new side of myself. So for that, gratitude, my friend. And I hope you guys like what we all have done in the film. I love it, so you better bloody love it.